Have you ever think about starting something and after a couple try, just quit it? Today I'm gonna talk about 3 tips that will bring you success in anything you start. Tip number 1, continuity. You have probably heard of the 10,000 hour rule made popular by Malcolm Gladwell's book Outliers. As Gladwell said, it takes 10,000 hours of intense practice to master complex skills and materials, like playing the violin or getting as good as Bill Gates at computer programming. This is why I'll create 1,000 videos. Mostly I create one of them in 10 hours. So in the end, maybe I'll become a master as well. And tip number 2, make it easy. Try not to go over designed everything, because it makes you feel quit. If you are really like in the very first beginning like me, I want to start a YouTube channel more than 3 years ago, but I didn't hit the record button. I just can't do it because there's lots of things I have to handle in the beginning, like concept, storytelling, color grading, video editing. Yeah, lots of things. And finally I found that it's too hard to start. Yeah, just make it simple as possible as you can. So this won't be the main reason that you stop doing it or quitting your thing. Tip number 3, just do it. Simply doing it is making you practice makes perfect. If you want to learn a new language, try to talk 500 words essay, try to write 20 words. You want to start a YouTube channel, simply record and upload it. Your first 50 to 100 videos are where you learn the most. Every time you'll make a mistake, you'll learn from it. So this is why I start doing these videos. Here is my challenge. I have 26 subscribers. We will see what will we gonna get after like maybe 4 years later. And thanks for watching. And please let me know what you think about. Consider subscribing and comment. If you can't start YouTube channel, just let me know and we can maybe start together. Yeah, just comment. Yeah.